Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Dota 2 PAK01.VPK Corrupt Error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, find Dota 2, right click on it, go to Properties, and then Install Files or General, and then on the launch options you need to write -console space -novid space -dx11 and look if the problem persists when you try to launch the game. If the problem persists, go to Install Files, press Browse, then go to Game, bin, Win64, then you should see Dota.exe. If you don't see exe, press on View, Show, and then you should see file name extensions. Right click on it, go Show More Options, Properties, Compatibility, select Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, select Windows 8, select Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Apply OK, and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to Installed Files and verify integrity of the game files and wait until verification is done. If this does not work, then open up Search, write Run. Then you need to write mdsched.exe, and then you need to select this option here, Restart Now, and check for the problems. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like.